Here is a beginner-level facilities manager quiz that covers space and workplace management, vendor and contractor management, and emergency and disaster preparedness. Let's go! Question 1. What is the goal of space and workplace management in facility operations? A. Optimizing space usage for functionality and employee comfort. B. Allowing overcrowded layouts. C. Minimizing workspace planning efforts. And D. Maximizing unused storage rooms. Answer: optimizing space usage for functionality and employee comfort. Question 2. Which strategy improves collaboration and flexible work arrangements? A. Static desk assignment only. B. Activity-based workspace design. C. Overloading the space with furniture. And D. Avoiding open layout concepts. Answer: activity-based workspace design. Question 3. What is a key consideration in ergonomic workspace planning? A. Placing desks randomly. B. Using old mismatched chairs. C. Adjustable furniture to support posture. And D. Ignoring lighting and ventilation. Answer: adjustable furniture to support posture. Question 4. Hot desking is a workplace approach where A. Desks are permanently fixed and immovable. B. Each employee gets a permanent cubicle. C. All employees work from home only. And D. Employees share desks instead of being assigned a specific one. Answer: employees share desks instead of being assigned a specific one. Question 5. Why should facilities managers regularly assess workplace layout? A. To align with changing team sizes and workflows. B. To maintain outdated seating plans. C. To avoid involving HR in space planning. And D. To keep unused areas inaccessible. Answer: to align with changing team sizes and workflows. Question 6. What is the first step in managing vendors in facilities? A. Assigning random tasks. B. Hiring without documentation. C. Defining scope of work and expectations in contracts. And D. Ignoring service level details. Answer: defining scope of work and expectations in contracts. Question 7. A service level agreement (SLA) is important because it A. Prevents contract renewals. B. Allows vendors to work independently without checks. C. Removes the need for monitoring. And D. Defines the performance standards expected from vendors. Answer: defines the performance standards expected from vendors. Question 8. What is a best practice in contractor management? A. Avoiding feedback discussions. B. Conducting periodic performance reviews. C. Renewing contracts blindly. And D. Reducing written communication. Answer: conducting periodic performance reviews. Question 9. Why is it important to maintain vendor records? A. For accountability, tracking performance, and future reference. B. To fill up storage space. C. To avoid legal obligations. And D. Because records are rarely used. Answer for accountability, tracking performance and future reference. Question 10. What tool helps manage work orders and vendor services? A. Informal contractor notes, B. Verbal tracking, C. Whiteboard logs, and D. Computerized maintenance management system, CMMS. Answer: Computerized maintenance management system, CMMS. Congratulations on completing 10 questions. Let's move ahead. Question 11. What is the objective of emergency and disaster preparedness in facilities? A. To avoid regulatory compliance. B. To panic employees unnecessarily. C. To ensure safety and business continuity during crises. And D. To keep emergency plans confidential. Answer: to ensure safety and business continuity during crises. Question 12. Which of the following is essential in an evacuation plan? A. Locked emergency exits. B. Clearly marked exit routes and regular drills. C. Storing flammable items near doors. And D. Informing only managers about the procedure. Answer: clearly marked exit routes and regular drills. Question 13. What should be included in a facility's emergency preparedness plan? A. Roles, responsibilities and communication procedures. B. General advice with no clear instructions. C. Verbal only alerts during crises. And D. Delayed response systems. Answer: roles, responsibilities and communication procedures. Question 14. Which action improves disaster readiness in a facility? A. Storing safety gear in locked closets. B. Skipping preparedness meetings. C. Conducting routine training and mock drills. And D. Relying solely on emergency services. Answer: conducting routine training and mock drills. Question 15. Why should facilities maintain emergency contact lists? A. To increase administrative work. B. To ensure quick communication during incidents. C. To delay response and confuse teams. And D. To avoid using digital communication tools. Answer: to ensure quick communication during incidents. Question 16. What role does signage play in emergency management? A. Guides occupants toward exits and safe areas. B. Adds decoration to walls. C. Obstructs emergency equipment. And D. Should be removed after drills. Answer: guides occupants toward exits and safe areas. Question 17. Which equipment is critical during facility emergencies? A. Water coolers. B. Loudspeakers only. C. Office chairs and whiteboards. And D. Fire alarms and smoke detectors. Answer: fire alarms and smoke detectors. Question 18. When should emergency procedures be reviewed? A. After any incident or on an annual basis. B. Only during construction. C. Once every 10 years. And D. When staff requests it. Answer: after any incident or on an annual basis. Question 19. What should facilities managers do after an emergency drill? A. Discard the feedback. B. Evaluate effectiveness and update procedures if needed. C. Ignore low participation. And D. File and forget the report. Answer. Evaluate effectiveness and update procedures if needed. Question 20. What is the benefit of cross-functional coordination during emergencies? A. Ensures quick, effective action from all departments. B. Increases confusion and blame. C. Limits employee involvement. And D. Avoids use of existing resources. Answer. Ensures quick, effective action from all departments. How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more.